When I look at it and imagine what my lads would be like a decade from now, I see a picture that is both built on the dream I hold today and shaped by the lesson I will learn along the way. 10 years, it is not time to grow is bold and turn a small plan into meaningful realities. I believe that by that point I will have built a life that will but line fruitful and fruit to why been kun in turn on my personal development. I aspire to be someone who had gained not only more knowledge, but also a dispersed of self-awareness. Right now, I am still learning how to have it shall and understand my own strength and weaknesses, but in 10 years I hope to have development greater patience, releasing and its emotional intelligence. I imagine that I will have continued to learn new skills and explore interests that matter to me, whether that means becomes influent in another language, masters a creative crash us development and deeper understanding.